Hello guys, this is the vegan and I would like to come into my channel. Guys, this is another crypto video about a new Tron staking platform. It is called VENTURI staking platform. And for those of you who are familiar with other staking platforms which came out like 8 months ago, we had DSP, we had GXY, we had T2X, and also Ladder's staking platform. Now, if you knew all those staking platforms, now Venturi is here. It is new platform and it has come from one of the moderators of GXY. And this platform, actually, I was amused by it. It is very advanced. It has got other features that the other staking platforms didn't have. So, guys, if I'm to check on my YouTube channel here, I made very many videos about DeFi staking platform, and actually to tell you this guys, I made a lot of money in DeFi staking platform. So these are my videos and I documented them from day one. So as you can see, day one, where is my day one? Actually I started on day 3, day number 4, day 6, and you can see I got, there is when I got 376% ROI in just 5 days. So, and you look at here, in just one day I got 11,491 TRX just and from one day. So if I find another staking platform that has come on the market and I knew I made some money in staking my TRX, I just have to jump on board on that. So guys, what we have here is Venturi staking platform, and it was developed by a developer called Nomadic Investor. He's on Telegram also. I'm going to open the Telegram channel so that you can see. Actually, there are very many few people who know about it, as these guys have not yet rolled about marketing fully. So it is the best time for you guys to jump in and start staking your event. So basically here, um, let me try to locate the Telegram. So it is Venturi. It is here. So as you can see, I'm also active in the channel. So guys, there are only 195 members in the official Telegram channel. So I'm going to leave also the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video. You can check it out, and you guys, you can ask any question about this platform. You'll be answered by the admins here. This is Nomadic Investor. He's the developer of this platform. So guys, so basically here, for those of you who have never staked using Tron, what you have to do now, these platforms have the auction launch and the staking launch. So what you have to do, you just have to go into the auction, and when you go to the auction, you use your Tron. You must be having a Tron wallet that has got a dApps web browser for those of you who are using a mobile phone, and if you are using a desktop, you must be having a Tron link wallet extension in your Chrome browser. So you go to the auction log. This is the auction lobby, and then you enter it as you can see here. So if you enter it, you use your Tron to buy the token. The token is called Vent. As you can see, it is here. It is called Vent, and then you have to buy that Vent in this auction time. Now the auction started already and it's remaining with 16 hours to go to end. So you have to buy within the auction time, and the event you buy, when the auction time ends, this enter button will change into a collect button. So I'm going to show you all that, but just want to give you a brief look at it. Actually, I'm going to do a live example because I already have some stakes to collect and also some to some Tron to receive, because I got some reward also. So guys, let me leave that a bit. I'm going to show you how to do it briefly. So after collecting the vent from the auction lobby, you go to the staking launch. This is the staking launch, and then this is where you stake your tokens for a number of days that you want, and then after you collect the dividends. Now you get dividends in Tron. So you put in Tron, you take out Tron. That's the idea, guys. So as you can see, I'm having a stake that ended on day number 4. This is day number 4 and it ended, and I'm having 4,230 Tron to collect. So I'm going to show you how to collect that Tron and everything, guys. So let me first take a look at the features of the site. If we go to the home page, it is a staking platform. It has got a white light paper. I've opened it here and I'm going to show you. I'm not going to read everything in the light paper, but I'm going to just pass through it and show you the basics, why this platform is so different from all the others. So it has got the auction lobby, I've showed it to you, staking lounge, I've showed you, and it has also got this new feature. It's called the Tron link. Now VentLink story. Now this VentLink, for those of you who are familiar with TRX chain and all those passive income DeFi platforms on Tron blockchain, that gives you 1% a day. So in other words, those people who know Tron chain, this platform, it has included that passive part of it also, and you get 1% every day till you reach 310%. So you get direct referral income, the matching bonuses, and also the direct uh, daily income of 1%. So we shall also look at that. So if we are to go back on the main page, these are the things. There is the daily auction lobby, there is the daily Tron dividends, and there is new game theory. So all these other platforms, and here they tell you can join their Telegram. This is the Telegram. I opened it, so that link leads you to here. The auction, I told you, you enter into the auction lobby using your Tron. Actually, I'm going to do that live today. You stake. Now there is also this feature for GXY users. Now, the developer of GXY, actually he did the rug pull on day 1. So all members who participated in GXY, actually we lost. So that's why these guys, they came up, Nomadic Investor came up with a platform to compensate all members who lost money, because he was part of the moderators in the channel. So this guy has a good heart, so he came up with something to compensate all members who lost. So all members who participated in GXY, if at all you participated in GXY, you can come here and claim just 200 free 200 vent tokens using the button below. So now previous members of GXY platform, the site has a compensation for you, and all wallets that participated in the GXY were whitelisted to claim free 200 vent from this platform. So all you have to do is use the wallet that you used in GXY to claim the free 200 vent. And remember, if you need not participate in GXY, don't bother coming to claim the free 200 vent tokens, because you lose on the transaction fees. All those wallets were whitelisted, and if that wallet that you used in GXY, just have to come here, log in in this account using that wallet, and you just have to click the claim button. So if you click the claim button, the your 200 vent tokens will come in the staking launch. Let me show you guys here, because I claimed mine, I lost money there. So when I clicked on it, it came here. So this is the 200 vent tokens that I got, and they started running on day number 2, and they were only running for 2 days. So that's the only offer they gave us. And guys, look at this, in only that 2 days I've managed to accumulate 4,000 Tron out of it. So I'm going to collect it and show you that it has reached my wallet. So guys, leave that aside. They also say that also the previous users of GXY get free 5% bonus on shares for using the platform. That is also a good a good thing for the people who lost in GXY. So that is that. Uh, the GXY users. Now the platform has got a referral feature, and they tell that your referrals will earn an extra 10% minted event tokens on their auction lobby purchase. As a referrer, you also earn an extra 10%. There are no limits on the number or amount of referrals that you can get. So this is a very good venture. Now other platforms were only giving 5% to the referrer, not to the person to your referrals. For example, if you use my link, I get 10% and you only get 5%. So Venturi came out and said that's not fair. Let us give out 10%. So it is better to use someone's link because you also gain in the process of getting 10% extra tokens minted on your auction lobby purchase. So with that all said, I'm going to leave my link in the description of this video. Feel free to use it, because if you use it, you gain. If you don't use it, you don't gain. So it's you just have to use someone's link. So I'm leaving my link in the description. You are free to use it and get the 10% extra tokens from your purchase. So the site has also got a swap feature here. Actually, it has got its own exchange where you can exchange tokens. You see very many people finding it difficult to get Tron, so you can use this to get Tron. So you can put in the amount that you want to send and what you have to get, because Venturi partnered with Godex to make it easy for you to find your Tron account by swapping over 200 other coins. So you just have to put the coin that you want to swap here to get TRX, which is very simple. So that feature, it is also here and it is working. I've had people in the group saying that they have used it. I'm not going to go into that. Maybe that will be for another tutorial. Um, what else? They have got the light paper. This is the light paper. I've opened it, and it is long, 11 pages. But I just want to show you why this one is different. So actually they came up with this to help people who lost money in inventory. They are the ones that have first priority, as you can see here. It had to benefit the GXY users first. It had to benefit everyone else as well. It had to cut out the original developer. Now in this platform, the original developer was cut out of it. So in other words, he's not part of it, and that is a very good venture that these guys did. His wallet was not included in the whitelisted wallets. So it has to be sustainable, and all these other ones, guys, you're going to read this in the white paper. Can't read all that in this video. So I just want to show you why Venturi is different. Why Venturi is different. So sorry about that. We are not doing day one and day two to the developer like all other platforms, and it is coded in the contract. So now other platforms, the first day and second day were all coded to the developer. All those Tron dividends went to the developer. Now these guys came up and said that's not fair, and they are distributed to the members as well. So we'll list Vent on Just Swap at a fair price, and main staking pays 8% interest daily rate over the 5.42% of other platforms. So that is also good. And we have increased penalties to cut out the bad actors and boost the token price. 100% of all the TRX penalties go to the contract and supports the vent leak, while all the vent penalties go to the ban address, reducing supply. We have added an additional passive reward, which is vent leak platform, and pays 1% or more in passive rewards. So guys, this is why Venturi is different, and I'm going to look at all those penalties while I'm shooting another video showing you how to buy from the auction, showing you how to collect your tokens from the auction, showing you how to stake your tokens in the staking lounge, and telling you and showing you how to collect your dividends from the staking lounge. So I'm going to be explaining all that in a live video showing you with live examples. So this is the white paper and it is available on the website. You can check it out. Actually, on the website, if I'm to go to the home page, it is here, the light paper. You are free to check it out and read all this, guys. So what else, what else? Now let us go to the site. There is also the contract. This is the smart contract, guys. The smart contract is fully verified. It is fully verified and it is a perfect match. If you have to go to the contract here, as you can see, it is fully verified and it is a perfect match. So guys, that's all about I can say about Venturi. That's all about I can say about Venturi staking platform. I'm leaving my link in the description. Feel free to use it. Stake some Tron from as low as 100 Tron. You can enter the auction lobby, but remember you must be having some extra Tron to cater for the transaction fees. So I'll emphasize that if you go in with like 200 Tron, you have like 50 Tron left in your wallet to cater for that. So guys, that is Venturi. I'm coming back in the next video showing you how to stake, how to do all those other things. That's it guys, see you in the next video.